Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming battery condition and stopping drain. Run your OS battery report or the vendor utility to see cycle count and capacity. Note baseline numbers. Once done, switch to a balanced or power saver plan and unplug peripherals that draw power. Make sure to close high CPU apps like video editors or virtual machines and disable background sync. These immediate steps reduce stress on the battery and create a stable state for the deeper maintenance tasks that follow. Now move into the detailed routines that preserve chemistry. Calibrate the battery every 2 to 3 months by charging to 100%, discharging to around 5–10%, then charging back to 100% to keep the gauge accurate. Make sure to manage temperature. Operate the laptop between 10 and 35 degrees Celsius and use a cooling pad or riser if it runs hot. If your firmware supports charging thresholds, set a maximum of 80 to 90% to reduce wear from constant high voltage states. Complete maintenance with storage and monitoring actions. If you won't use the laptop for weeks, store the battery at about 50% in a cool, dry place to slow aging. Keep firmware and power drivers updated because manufacturers release fixes that improve charging behavior. Finally, watch capacity numbers and physical signs. Replace the pack when capacity falls under 70% or if swelling appears, using OEM or certified replacements. If you still see rapid drain after these steps, recalibrate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.